I just literally finished recording the electric trailer control video. I saw a FedEx truck go by. I wondered if my trailer receiving harness came in. I went up to the front and look at this. Just finished recording. My front door, there it is, Quadratec box. Let's get to it. I'm so excited this came in. I can't wait to get on with this project. I ordered from Quadratec. Let's go ahead and open her up. Inside, invoice. $264.99. I saw more economical options online, but this is the full Mopar genuine kit. That's the way you want to do it, right? Inside there's another box. It's a tight fit. It's amazing how they do this. Cut her up. So the main box, just this box. This is where everything's inside. I'm gonna open her up, just get everything out, then we'll go over everything. This is what the kit brings. This is the main wire, the power wire, driver tail light wire. You're going to attach this to the back of your JL. This would be for the receiving wire harness. This is the skeleton for the wire harness. These wires will come in here. It's all well labeled. This will be the pin to pin those wires in. The two bolts to bolt this to your JL. Your cable module. Power connector. Almost forgot. Alcohol pad. This is a double phase tape for your module. This goes on the passenger tail light in the bottom inside the JL. Then on this side you have regular straps. Then you have OEM straps with the Christmas tree that goes inside certain places on the JL, as well as these straps. These just insert at the end of the aluminum flaps inside the JL. And you have 4 plastic pop rivets for the well of your front tire, front passenger tire, that you will need to take out. We'll see if we can do without it, but if we have to, we'll have to. This is a nut for the positive that attaches to the frame on your JL on the passenger side. for taking the time to watch this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for future videos. Our next video will be the installation of the 7 and 4 pin receiving harness for the hitch, along with the electric trailer brake control. See you next time.